President of the National People's Party and my colleague in the cabinet, Shri Snobalang Dhar.
YouTube, Batasi, pada TV. Andai mentang ini marfa, yang national president ini, berdorong kami,
So I started thinking to myself, what is it that is making him look older and what is it that is making them look younger? Then when I looked at both of them, I realized the lesser the hair, the better it is. It makes you look younger. So I also decided to get a haircut, hoping that I would look younger. But coming to the serious point, Teibor is a person who all of you know. From the grassroots level to important issues that affected the state. But Teibor Pathaw has been a man and a public representative who has taken up the responsibility for the people of Mawlai, be it the day-to-day issues that affect the people of Mawlai, or be it important issues like law and order issues that we have. But Teibor Pathaw has been somebody who has ensured that the confidence that the people of Mawlai have put on him, he would not let the people down. And I take this opportunity to thank him, to thank his supporters for always keeping the people in front and always not going by politics, but by ensuring that the issues of the people were always addressed. And that is the true sign of a leader. We are all politicians, and we will play our politics. But while we play our politics, we must realize that we are here to serve you, serve the people. And sometimes the service to the people must overtake and must be above all kind of politics that we play. That is the sign of a leader. And Pathaw has always, Teibor has always exemplified this characteristic in him. And I must once again take this opportunity to thank him for always being there with the government in all different situations and supporting and working with us in resolving the issues. Today is a very special day because in the last many weeks we have seen that a large number of leaders from Khasi Hills, from Jhaite Hills and from Garo Hills have been joining the National People's Party. Today we have Magdalene, who is here, who was from a different political party. But today she has decided to be with the National People's Party. We have Abandon. We have other leaders who could not join us today, who have decided that we or they want to be with the National People's Party. Friends, this is not just happening because Preston and I or Snobalang is requesting them to join NPP. Many other parties are requesting these leaders. But the reason why they are deciding to join the National People's Party is because they see something special in the National People's Party.
National President kami Shri Now I spoke.
Mawlai Law, Bashem, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.